Okay, today you're going to take the naming and formula writing parts of the test. You can find those here at the bottom. Bonded names from formulas, bonded formulas from names. Don't worry about this bottom part. It's not published. It's not part of the test. So once you take these two, you are done. Please take your time and do a good job on them. They are tricky, and spelling is important. So when you go to do the naming, you have to make sure you follow these instructions. When you type the names, include a space between the two words, and if a Roman numeral is required, put a space between it and the first and second word. So you can see that example has led to carbonate. On Canvas, capitalizing things will not matter, so don't waste your time doing that. But you'll notice the space between lead and the Roman numeral 2 and a space between there. This is correctly typed. Now, it says here are some words that you may use when naming. I don't promise that every word you need is on here, and I don't promise that every word on here is used. But some of them might be a little tricky to spell, and the spelling must be correct to get the answer correct. So use that. I'll have the sub leave this up on the screen the whole hour. When you type a Roman numeral, which you should need on at least one question, maybe more than one, but at least one, they're just lowercase i's. So it's I for a 1, 2 i's for a 2, 3 i's for a 3, an IV for a 4, and a V for a 5. I don't think I even have any that high, but just in case. Then finally, when you type the formulas, do not put any spaces. Capitalization and using subscripts do not matter on Canvas, so don't worry about those. So here's an example. What is the formula of lead 2 hydroxide? Or sorry, lead 3, I'm blind. You would just type PB, then parentheses OH, and the 3 on the outside, and you'd be all set. You wouldn't need to worry about capitalization or putting the 3 down low. Do not include the charges up top that you used when you dropped and swapped the answer. We use those to find the answer, but they're not part of the answer. Okay, when you're done, put your iPads back. Please wash them or wipe them down so that they are nice and clean, and then you can work on whatever you need to. By the end of the hour, make sure you've turned in your lab book to the substitute. Okay, best of luck.